So at Porterville Citrus, I was the field director of field operations and grower relations, and we had about 900,000 bins of fruit and 14 varieties. I was in charge of all of the evaluations, estimates, and harvesting. And where I started using aerobotics was for primarily estimating. There's just, with so many acres and so many bins involved, mission critical scenario to know what the estimates are, know what the size structures are, and hopefully be able to do that acre by acre. What I liked about aerobotics after a year was that realizing the company is based around was founded around a family of citrus growers, number one, and that kind of ties us in as far as the citrus knowledge and what's important and what's not. And then the other part is that they've just been very responsive. They have a very good customer service. You've got to have the right information early on so that you can contract or whoever you're hiring to pack and market your product. That you've got to have good information to go out and get these contracts with Walmart and Costco and Kroger and whoever it is you're selling to.